So hello YouTube, welcome back again. So we're back again. So actually today's update video, today is Saturday again, so we always do the live stream update. So this Saturday, honestly usually if I make the Saturday videos it's usually a bit earlier, but today I'm a little bit like kind of like late because I actually was busier in the earlier in the morning, earlier in the day. That's why I wasn't able to record the video and actually post it in the afternoon of my time zone. But at least I could post the video today. Well, I'm free now, so I don't have really much pressure, so I can take it slow a little bit. But today there are big updates, and I don't want to bore you guys. So let's get into the update immediately. What is this? I think these are the products for the cafe, maybe. I don't know. Not sure, but there is one archetype they actually brought back, and I'm so happy, which is Blaus. If you remember, like the first set I opened in the video, it was the I opened 2 boxes, and the first set video was opening 2 boxes, and the 1 box I opened was for Blau specifically. And by that, you know that I would really like Blaus, so I actually might buy the set if it comes out for English, hopefully. I actually don't want to play another JP tag. I have 2 already. English. So I'm so happy that Blaus are coming. A little spoiler, but you guys are watching this video, you probably see in the thumbnail. So let's go into the first reveal. So with this Celestial, actually do not have the specific Celestial cards. So give me a second and I'll look for it directly. Underlay Celestial. So during your turn, if you have a face-up card named Solidify Celestial Serakial in your damage zone, this unit gains 3k. So if you have to create 3 Celestial plus 3k, I don't know if this is the original skill. I actually don't know. Might be different. I don't know. Maybe they changed the skill, but I'm reading the original card, so it probably is different, but I'll just hopefully get it right. I don't know the kanji at all. So it's another Celestial. I think she's the counter charger. I think maybe she's a counter charger and she can recover a damage or something. What is her name? It's an 8k body. She has her. Oh, Candle Celestial. Wait, what? Oh, so the skill of Scandal Celestial awaits Sariel. So her name is Scandal Celestial Sariel. I was reading the skill and a little bit confused, but her skill is, I think it's the same. So you place her, you counter +1 superior. I think the other card was the right skill. So the skill is that when you call her, you counter +1. So search your deck for 1 card, and place in your damage zone. And if you put the card in your damage zone, you recover 1. You heal 1. Which is really neat. Wait, I think she puts it face up. Or is it face down? But if it's face down, they lose name. So that's how it works for physical Vanguard, is that when a card is face down in damage zone, they don't have the name anymore. It just put in your damage zone, right? It's face up. So the next card is Rakia. So her skill is the real one, is that the original one is that limit break 4 during your turn. If you have a face up card named Celestial, I'm actually not sure. So her second skill is the counter blast 2 plus 5k. First skill can limit break, and then because in the real one it says that all of your units with Celestial in the card name, if you have a copy of her in a damage zone, all of your units with Celestial in this card name, which is basically the Celestial archetype, gain 3k. Maybe it heals, I actually don't know, because I don't really have the translation for the JP one, for the Vanguard Zero, but I do have the translation for the TCG, the physical TCG. I have all the translations for the cards that are revealed today. So we will be first going into machining cards, I think. Yep, here. So let's get into the update directly. Machining side pister. So a skill that when rest by your card's ability, so attacking doesn't count or boosting. Look at the 3 cards from the top of your deck. You check top 3 and then you call up to 1 card with machining in its card name from among them to your card circle and put the rest on the bottom of your deck in any order. This ability may only be used by a card with the same card name once a turn. So he has the hard once per turn. So when you rest him by ability, you check the top 3, call machining, then put the rest, and then you shuffle your deck, I think. Or put the rest to the bottom of your deck so you don't shuffle. Which is a free +1 honestly. But then if you confuse, you need to rest. We'll see because that gives us a little bit of a hunch of what the machining is gonna do. So here's machining. Out of Vanguard card circle, machining Scatterhorn. When placed from hand, look at the 6 card from the top of your deck. Reveal up to 1 card with machining in its card name, other than grade 2 from among them. So you cannot add a grade 2. Then you put in your hand. Then you shuffle your deck. If you put a card into your hand, you put a card from your hand into your soul. So it's not a +1. It's a filter, and also replaces a card from your hand. And then second skill, and then you get a free soul. Act on Vanguard card circle once per turn. You cast Soul Blast 1. You rest a card, rare card with machining in its card name. Choose one of your opponent's rare cards, and that unit cannot stand during your opponent's stand phase. Next stand phase. So wait, before they reveal the next card, his skill is basically, yeah, the Soul Blast. Actually, the his first skill, I guess, feels for the Soul Blast he will use. And he can also they switch back to the previous grade 1 because you can use his skill to rest the grade 1 and get a the +1. And then this card also paralyzes actually one of your opponent's unit. So I think the Mecha Colony has like driven off from paralyzed for quite a while, and they're back again. But we'll see how good it is because they're actually gonna reveal the grade 3. And then so machining Meteor Bullet. Really nice art, I actually like that. Continue with Vanguard card circle. If you have 5 or more red cards, all of your red cards with machining in their card name gets boost. So if you have 5 or more red cards, other red cards. So if you have 5 or more, probably 5 because you're using a protect deck. Red cards, machining, all your machining gets boost, which is really neat. Free plus. And then second skill. Okay, wait, before you guys go into that. Act on Vanguard card circle once cost a once per turn cost, reacts another red card when machining his card name, and this unit gains 10k. So honestly, what happened to the paralyze? They just forgot about paralyze again. So all your machining gets boost if you have 5 or more red cards, which means you have to have a full board. That will suck if you are fighting Blade Masters. And then the second skill is just to rest get 10k. It helps with the grade 1 if you have another copy of the grade. Wait, you can only use 1 copy of the grade 1 actually. So not that amazing. But let's quickly go into the next reveal, which is Blau. So Blau Younger. This is real. Blaus are actually coming back. So Blau Younger has the normal skill of standard grade 0, where you get to draw 1 like when you ride it, and then if your opponent is a grade 1 or greater, you get to get the free ticket shield, which is really neat. Well, not really neat. This is okay. Another card. So Blau Panzer. Wait. I actually got another card. Blau Panzer. When placed by riding from Blau Younger, so you will have to ride Blau Younger. Look at the top 5 cards from the top of your deck. Reveal up to 1 card with Blau in its card name from among them, and you put it in your hand, then you shuffle your deck. Okay, really good, like consistent searcher. And then second skill is that when placed, you discard a trigger unit. When placed on your card, you discard a card from your hand. You discard a trigger unit. You search your deck for up to 1 grade 3 Blau and reveal it and put it in your hand. So he has the funny thing is that he has both of the old skills kinda, because the first skill is usually what Blau Younger, but since Blau Younger has another skill, he gains a skill where you get to search a free +1. Usually long ago it was Blau Kluger, but now you can get any Blau, which is actually neat. and then you call to rear card, you can also search your deck with a create tree, but you have to discard trigger unit. Which is like if you really need the create tree, it helps with consistency, but you don't really want to do that too often unless you have draw triggers, because the shield points are if you guys it's really straightforward. So the next card they reveal will be oh, they're going to the right gen, so let me go to the right gen first, because I thought I skipped the card. So Blau Kluger, to create 2 right chain, you have 9k body. Blau Kluger, auto Vanguard skill. When placed, you counterblast 1, look at the top 7 cards from your deck, and you add 1 Blau in this card name from monster and put your hand. Good consistency, I like to see this. I want to play Blaus. Please let me play Blaus. And then second skill is that at the end of battle that it attacks, if you have a Vanguard with Blau in his card name, put this unit into your soul and you can draw a card. Okay, that's that. But it actually opens up the field for Axel attacks, but we'll see how that will work with the cards. Stern Blau Cooker. So this is the one of the OG units, OG boss units that I really enjoy. So he's Stern Blau Cooker, 12k base, and then continues on Vanguard skill. During your turn, if your soul has a Blau Cooker. Oh, I actually read this wrong at the first time. So if you have the grade 2 Blau Cooker, which is the Blau before, all of your grade 3 units with Blau in his card name, in their card name, get 10k. So all of your Blaus have get plus 10k as a grade 3, remember? And then second skill is that auto and Vanguard skill. At the end of battle attack, you discard 2 cards from your hand, choose a Galaxy Blau Cooker on your card, bind it, write that card as stand, and that unit gets -1 draft until end of turn. Really good. Like they used to, this is the fun thing is that you can, although you lose 1 drive, you play Axel 2, you actually don't lose, you actually discard 2, you get another drive from the drive check, superior right into Galaxy Blau Cooker, which gives you an Axel 2, which you actually draw 1 and get also another Axel marker, which is really good. Hands down, really good. So Galaxy Blau Cooker, Galaxy Blau Cooker, condition Vanguard skill. During your turn, if your soul has Blau Cooker, so you have to create 2 Blau Cooker. Oh, this is really good. That's why you really need to create 2. You actually can. You won't limit it. This will limit if you don't have to create 2, but you have to open up. And then during your turn, if your soul has a Blau Cooker, all of your units gain 3k. And if you create 3 units with Blaus and the card name, gain 10k. Then second skill is auto Vanguard skill. Counterblast 1, call up to 1 stun blocker from your soul to rear skill. Oh, so when it attacks you counterblast 1, you call another. Call a stun Blau Cooker. Then his second skill is when rolled upon by a unit with Blau in his card name, you may call this card to rear card circle. Oh, which is really neat, because what it means is basically when you write another grade 3, you call him to the rear card, and then possibly if you write another stun Blau Cooker, next turn you can also superior write. So you can literally generate 4 Axel markers in 2 turns, which is really neat. Because you basically get 4 draws. So Moken Rod, if you remember, Moken Rod is actually the other great starter for Blaus, the other starter, like another choice. But his skill, to be honest, it's good, but I don't really like it, because his skill has to attack the attack his boosted hit, and he has to go to soul and counter blast. Attack top 3 and add a Blau to your hand. But this one, the new Moken Rod is actually not pretty good. Like, on his own, it's bad, but actually he's a really good addition. So wait. Okay, let the screen show. Moken Rod skill is that at the end of the turn, I think. Wait, let me open up so I don't mess up. There it is. At the end of your turn, you retire that unit. Oh, not go to the soul and retire it. You return one of your rear cards with Blau in his card name to your hand. So remember, Galaxy Blau Cooker can counterblast 1 superior called Stern Blau Cooker. Then you can use Moken Rod to return that Stern Blau Cooker to confirm that hand, and also you reduce the cards in your board, which is really good, because if you're fighting a control deck, it can count. The control won't be as impactful as as dangerous as it is because you have your
次の
stun
タ
block
ー
who
ン、ギャ
get
ラク
back
シー
into
ブラウ
your
クリュ
hand.
ーガーにしてるブラウクリュ
So
ーガー
I
が出
think
ま
you
す。
run
ギ
more
ャ
control
ラ
of
クシー
4 of
ブラウクリューガー
action.
の効果でこいつらに
Although
矢
you
のサークル
run
でき
him,
ます。
you can run him
もう
3 or
一回してる
down,
ブ
but
ラ
you
クリュ
can
ーガーでア
also
タックします。
what you can do is that
はい、ギャ
if
ラクシーブラウ
there
ク
are
リューガー
Blau
でという
triggers
よ
or
うな
Blau
わ
quick
ー
ones that you need for guarding, you can return those
楽
into
しい
your hand.
ぞ。
Really, really
なる
good.
ほど。
I love the
いい
new
ね
mechanic. I love Blaus in
ちゃん
general.
とで怖
So
って言わ
that's
れ
it for today's live stream
怖い
update.
ねこれ
So
相手だった
I'm really, really
グレ
happy.
ギの
But
ブラ
I'll
ウ
be
も
signing
グ
out.
レー
I'll
ド
be.
あれないか
This
ら
will be.
でね最初のうちに
guess.
準備しといて
So
みたい
there's
な感じなん
nothing
だね
anyway.
なるほ
So
ど
that's it for today, guys. I'll be ending it here, so it won't be too
これや
long
る
the
とね
video.
なん
But
か
thanks
平気
for
でアクセ
watching,
ルサー
guys.
クルが
I'm really
ね
excited
4枚
for
5枚
Blaus.
並
Don't
ぶんで
forget to
面白い
subscribe
です
and leave a like. If you
で
enjoyed this video
こ
and
れ
you
ね、
wanted
注目なんです
to,
け
you
ど
want
も
more videos like this, comment down below on your thoughts of today's reveal.
こちらのね
And also
ギャ
hit
ラ
the
クシーブラウク
notification
リュー
bell
ガー
and select
も
all to get notified when my videos come out.
してるんだよね
But I'm
ブルー
really
レアね
excited.
ギャラクシーが
They're
トリレ
only
アなんでご
this
ざ
is
い
a
ますね
good budget deck
なん
because
で
they're
こ
only
の
triple rares
ブ
and
ラウデ
since
ッキ
they
はトリレア以
increase
下
the
の
triple
カー
rare
ド
drop,
を入れるよという形に
they
なっており
actually
ます
really
で
good. I might even pick up 2 or 3
メインの
boxes
デ
maybe,
ッキとは
depending
別にもう
on
一個買おうかな
how
もう一個
how
揃えよ
much
うかな
it
みたいな
is.
感じで
But
遊
I'll
びたいでもいいですし
be signing out here today,
漫画が
guys.
始めたいですっていう人に
Thanks for watching,
集めや
guys.
すいデッキ
Bye bye.
なるほど
See you later in the next video.
集
Bye
めやすい
bye.